Okay, the purpose of the lab is to configure BIOS or UEFI security. So our first step is to go into BIOS. So we'll go to Windows Start, click it, go to Power, we'll click on Restart, and we'll hit Delete or F2 while it's restarting to go into the BIOS. Okay. We want to configure the following settings. We want to add an admin password to make changes in the BIOS. So this is the password we want. We've copied it to the simulation clipboard. I did that just by mousing and clicking. So old password is not set, so I'll just do Shift Insert, paste that in. I'll confirm the new admin password for changes to the BIOS, and I'll say OK. Now we have an admin password. We want to add a password that prevents hard disk access. So let's go there. And dog Bob 0. Yeah, when I highlight it and then like release my mouse, then that copied that password to the clipboard. So I'll paste it in. This is under the HDD1 password. I'll click OK. So this hardware, when an HDD password is set, it travels with the hard disk, so the hard disk is protected even if it's placed in the next computer. You still need the password. So it's a serious thing, right? If you enable this feature and then unlock the drive using Dell supplied recovery password, all data on the drive will be erased and cannot be recovered. You want to enable security erase for this drive. Yeah, I'll say yes. All right, I want to enable the TPM by going there. And I want to enable chassis intrusion by going to chassis intrusion and saying enable. Okay, I want to save my changes. So I'll say apply, and then I will exit. And I'm going to want to, all right, now I need the password in order to do something with this BIOS, to change something in this BIOS. So let's copy that selection and then paste it. Now we can continue. And it looks good. Let's see. We don't want that. We want the security. We saw that the admin password was in place. We don't get to see that any longer. Chassis is now enabled and TPM security is now enabled. Whoops, do I want to save changes? I don't think I made any changes, so I'm going to say no. Let's see how that goes. Let it boot. All right, hard drive. Hard drive is this one. All right, let's paste. Whoops. I guess I need to type. Shift Insert did not do that for me, so I'm just going to click in there and type D-O-D-D. Oh, I need to turn this off in order to type. All right. Click here and type DOG8B0B. And enter. And let it boot up. And let's click Score the Lab to see how that went. Oh, it did all right. All right, very good. Thank you for watching.